In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted tasks in Clickup. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you've accidentally deleted something and need to get it back quickly. It's important to understand that tasks in Clickup, once deleted, are moved to a trash bin where they remain temporarily. Luckily, this gives you a second chance to restore them before they're permanently gone. Let's jump in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to go to the Clickup website. You can do this by simply typing in their web address into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. After clicking login, you'll have multiple options to choose how you'd prefer to sign in. For a smooth experience, you might find it easiest to click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to bypass entering your credentials by selecting your Google account from the list that appears. It's a quick and secure way to access your Clickup dashboard. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate over to the top right corner once more and click on your profile. This step will lead you to various options related to your account. We're particularly interested in the one labeled Trash. Clicking here will bring you to the section where your deleted items are stored. Now that you're in the trash section, you're going to see a list of all the tasks that have been deleted recently. If you happen to be dealing with many deleted tasks, take your time to find the one you need to restore. It's a good idea to double-check the list to ensure you're selecting the correct item. For the next step, look for the 3 dots next to the task you want to restore. These dots are important as they contain the option you need. Clicking on them will reveal a small menu which includes several different actions you can take with the selected task. From the menu that appears, locate and click on the Restore option. This is the final action required to bring your task back to life in its original location. Once you click Restore, the task will be moved out of the trash and back into the area it was originally in, so you can continue working with it as if it was never deleted in the first place. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted task in Clickup. This simple process can be a real lifesaver for maintaining the continuity of your projects. Remember, though, that tasks in the trash will only be stored for a limited time, so it's always best to act swiftly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video tutorial.